In Agile, what is spike story or spikes? Spikes are nothing but the stories that the team creates to investigate and explore certain areas where they are not clear. So instead of directly creating a story and working on it, if there are lack of information, if there are a lot of uncertainties or a lot of dependency that we have to explore, then it's better to create a spike story to understand the impact of it, investigate and explore the complex area before we actually create the deployable story. This helps the team to make a better informed decision for the future sprints. A few examples of spikes are one is which technology we have to be using to implement and how we are going to integrate this with an external system. So these are not aimed at delivering anything to the end user, but it's basically to clarify the internal queries and get a clarity on what we have to work for the future sprints. So do you have a time box for this? Yes, it usually does because if there's no target, there are chances of getting this prolonging, right? So there's usually some target like couple of days or even to the max a sprint for exploring things on this spike story. But if the questions remains unsolved even after your time box, then the team reassess on what is the time required to continue with that. So what is the outcome of it? The outcome of a spike is generally a document or a list of findings or a prototype. The goal is to clear all the ambiguities and get a clear insight. So generally there are two types of spikes, technical spikes and functional spikes. So technical spikes evaluates technical uncertainties like evaluating a new framework. Functional spikes deals with understanding upstream, downstream, understanding complex requirements or any legal considerations and so on. So that's how the spike story will allow the Agile team to handle the uncertainty in a structured way.